Good afternoon. My name is Tim Wilkins. I'm the superintendent of Bethlehem Christian School, and I'm going to be your guide at working on the new ASP Online. First thing I'd like to show you is how to copy information out of ASP Online and easily paste it in your Word document as you build your team report. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and launch Microsoft Word. And I need to not pay attention to those errors. I'm going to minimize it and have it go down to my taskbar. Next step, I'm going to launch Internet Explorer. You might be using Firefox. That's just as fine, whichever is the browser of your choice. I have a favorites already bookmarked, BCS accreditation by School Progress. You may want to do the same. We're going to use your ACSI login, ACSI in both places. Here's the main screen of ASP Online. The place that we're going to go first is the Reports section. So we'll click on Reports, and notice in the Improvement Plan section, there are two kinds of reports that have been pre-formatted. There's the ASP report, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, starting right here on line 6. So you have the report formatted that follows the ASP manual, starting on page 6. So the ASP report section 1, section 2, 3, 4, and 5 follow the ASP accreditation manual starting on page 6. This is the portion of the report that traditionally has been printed and mailed in a binder. We're so grateful that this team was willing to try this new process of having everything be online, actually building your team report based on our online database. And this is very exciting that you're willing to do that. We're going to look at the ASP report section 5, which is actually the ASP project. The project, as it would have been outlined in the binder that you would have received, would have been this section right here. So I'm just going to click in, and this describes our ASP project and follows the protocol in the manual. It answers the questions that are there. And let's say you were wanting to include some of this in your report. Let's just go and take this first section as related to the school mission. And we'll come down and we'll grab this much. I'm going to just go up to Edit and Copy. Then I'm going to go into Word, Edit, Paste. And there's the easy way to start building your team report based on the information that that you'll find in ASP Online. Now, you noticed, I'm going to go back to, a page. You noticed that there was, in the team report, there is, in section 6 of your team report, the project response, our project 1 response. In your team report, that's section 6. It's right here. You'll also notice that the software doesn't have the ability to sort by this title, and so you'll see that the team report sections are out of order. There's section 2, section 3, section 4 of your team report, section 5, and section 6. I included these sections just to help you help gather information that you might need in your team report for those sections. But particularly in section 6, our first project, if you click in there, you'll actually now see the progress that we've been making on our Project 1. If you read in here, you'll see that, well, let's look at the color coding. In process is yellow. You can see that we are actually in process on Project 1, and you can read the dates, who was involved, and what was accomplished. You can even go in and look at the links to see the evidence that shows you what that what that entry is all about. Here's a picture of our new MacBooks that we were able to distribute to teachers to make all of Project 1 work so much better. Here's a brief, including a brief lesson assignment page from our software, and you can click on this and you can see where we have the teachers working right now to provide this information for parents. You can also see why the online process allows us to give you much more data, much more verification of information than just the old paper process could provide for you.